Hi everyone, welcome to the Coder with Sujit YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to add two numbers in Python by taking input from the user. So in this program, first we will take two numbers from the user, then add them and finally print the result on the screen. Let's start the program. First, we need to take input from the user using input method and enter first number. The input method takes input from the user, but it returns the value in the string format. Since we want to perform addition, we need the number in integer form. So we use int method to return in the integer format. We will store this value in variable called num1. Now let's do the same for the second number and store it into num2. Now we want to add both number. For addition, we use plus operator. Number 1 and number 2, and we will store in a variable called result. Now we want to print the output. For that we use print method. Here 0 will be replaced by the first number, which is num1, and 1 is replaced by second number, which is num2. And here 2 is replaced by the result, which is the result. Now this is in the string format and we have to make it in integer. So we use format method num1 comma num2, and for the result now let's run the program. In the console, first we enter the first number and press enter. Then we type the second number and press enter. And here we get the output on the screen. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So this is how you can add two numbers in Python by taking input from the user. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and support the channel. We will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.